So hi, I'm from Team Null Pointer. I'm Tanya Girl, and I'm presenting our project VeritasFlow, the information diet coach. Today, algorithms are optimized to maximize engagement rather than awareness. As a result, people unknowingly fall into filter bubbles, confirmation bias, and doom scrolling. So, VeritasFlow help users understand what they consume, how it affects them, and what perspective they might be missing. So that's why we build a Vitas Flow, the information diet coach. Let's begin with our Chrome extension. So once installed and after user consent, the extension works silently in the background. It tracks only browsing metadata like website URL, article titles, time spent reading, content category. No password or personal information are collected. Now I will open a news article or suppose any website like Unstop. And as I spend some time reading this article, the extension automatically captures the browsing session and sends it securely to our backend for AI analysis. So I'm spending some time, like I'm scrolling the competition page, mentorship page. Whatever time you spend, like 2 minutes, 1 minute, some seconds, hours, it analyzes everything automatically. Okay, so let's move to the VeritasFlow dashboard. Before that, we can go to our extension and click on Run Conscious Cognitive Audit. So it analyzes and automatically captures our browsing session and send it securely to our backend for analysis. And you can also add the VeritasFlow endpoint URL, which is also fallback URL into the extension whenever you have. So it shows audit dispatch to VeritasFlow Center. It means it is securely sent to backend for analysis and send the data to our dashboard. So whenever I'm updating my dashboard. Yeah, it shows VeritasFlow AI powered. Okay, so this dashboard gives user a complete picture of their information. Here we can see information quality. Currently 69%. This score measures how factual and balanced the consumed content is versus sensational or clickbait content. So our higher score indicates healthy information consumption. Next is the diversity index, currently 55%. This tells us whether the user is consuming information from diverse category and viewpoint. A lower score means the user reading habits are becoming repetitive. Next is this is one of our key metrics, bubble isolation. It is currently low. Like our AI detected that the user's feed contain repetitive viewpoint, increasing the chance of confirmation bias. And here we monitor screen time, dual dosing. Today the user spend 72 minutes consuming online content. So if the system detects excessive continuous consumption, it warns the user about possible cognitive fatigue. Then this section, dietary telling metric stream, displays all the recent analyzed content. Like currently, four articles have been processed. Every new article updates our dashboard automatically. And here we can see how attention is distributed. For example, technology, finance, politics, science. So user can instantly identify where most of their attention is going. And the chart shows which platform contribute to the user information intake. Like for example, X, Reddit, news, website, blogs. If most content comes from a single platform, VeritasFlow highlights that as a potential risk. Now let's look at our emotional balance. Currently, 51% negative, 35% neutral, and 14% positive. Since negative content dominates, the Vitas will display a high outage alert and encourages healthy consumption habit. Now let's open my dual audits. Every article analyzed by the extension appears here. Okay, so spending more some time. Whenever you visit a website, open the VeritasFlow extension and click on Run Conscious Audit. So it tracks your all data from that website and analyzing it. And it takes some seconds. It takes 1 minute or two. And after that, you have to open your dashboard and click and update the dashboard link. And then you can see your tracking sessions like whatever website you have visited previously. It shows. Yeah, okay. Yes. You can see that information quality percentage is increasing, diversity index is increasing, low bubble low isolation is low. Right now, dual dosing is increasing 70 of to something 8400. And yes, it shows me namespace event tracking session for Hackathon 2026. Every article analyzed by the extension appears here. Let's open one of the today's article namespace event. So, like this article belongs to, okay, web article. Okay, technology. It is based on technology, and its sentiment is negative. Neutral 0.0. Okay, so the user spent around 7 minutes reading it. Immediately, we notice a low, no bubble, no bubble warning of 82%. Meaning the content strongly reinforces one side. Okay, so I am opening. Oh, okay. Yes, this article, this is related to politics, and its sentiment is negative minus 0.8, and the user spent 12 minutes reading it. So immediately we notice a bubble warning of 82% in it, meaning that content strongly reinforces one side viewpoint. Okay, but in this we do not get any bubble warning. Okay, so it is safe, it is neutral, and audit farming. Here our AI explained why the content was flat. Like in this example, it identify and the text is a technical system logo tracking modification notification that contains no narrative framing, editorial bias, or opinionated language. But in this example, it identifies emotionally charged language, absolute statement, conspiratorial framing, and anti-government narrative. Instead of just assigning a label, writers Flow explain the reasoning behind its analysis and extreme right 88 out of 100 score. And in this, we get neutral 5 out of 100 score. And next is our AI calculate and 5% bubble probability index. Like this means consuming technical loss of platform event. Okay. So we have to see in this. This means the article heavily reinforce existing viewpoint instead of presenting balanced evidence. In this, it shows 82% bubble probability. And then we have collective reading recommendation. Like rather than simply wanting user write also recommend alternative trusted resources. For example, WHO Data Hub, European Transport Safety Council. These sources provide evidence-based information and different perspectives, helping user make informed decisions. And in this, we have CDEC Electronic Frontier Foundation, like understanding the balance between event analytics and user privacy. You can also see the view alternative data. Yeah, it goes to a website. Now let's move to our Equilibrium Explorer. Okay, suppose a user wants to explore a controversial topic like universal basic income. I will enter a topic and click balance it. Like I am entering AI integration in palliative healthcare. Instead of prompting one opinion, our AI generate multiple. Okay, so yeah, it is given our accelerated diagnostic and care optimization and ethical safeguard and pediatric specific validation. Okay. So it gives the about two-sided, like both sides before forming an opinion, and a key limitation of this both sides also. And a diet coach pitching advice like when evaluating pediatric AI development, actively check whether the clinical trial cited specifically. So yes. Finally, let's open our AI wellness coach. This acts as a personalized digital well-being assistant. The coach continuously review the user's browsing pattern. Like for example, I will ask, audit my current log feed for doom scrolling trade. The AI analyzes screen time, emotional train, bias pattern, content diversity, and it can provide personalized advice such as reduce particle content today, read more science or educational article, take a short break from emotional intense news, explore diverse viewpoints. So let's wait what is provide to us. Yeah. So hello, let's take a gentle constructive look at a recent digital nourishment. Our brain are wired with a neutral negative. Yes, that's essential dread trait. High arousal outrage, encouraging engagement with the okay. Reframe the how to this assessment. We can start. Okay, then continue this chat after what you want to ask. Anything like about confirmation bias, screen time, or bubble matrix, anything. So the goal is not to tell users what to think, but to have them become aware of how they consume the information. And you can also set up it is set up guide for you like how you can set up extension, link copy and paste this URL into the Veritas endpoint URL, browser extension linkage, it is on or off, outrage wording analysis and anonymous profile. Okay. And you can also instead of set up the extension, you can also add any source URL, article, or wherever you visit, whatever the website you visit, you can simply enter the URL here and the article or post text copy dump also, and the source channel and the dual dosage. So it can click on run AI audit, it can run the AI audit, and simply all this information updates in your dashboard. Okay. So Vitas will transform passive browsing into meaningful awareness instead of allowing algorithm to control our attention. It empowers users to build healthier digital habits through AI-powered analysis, balanced recommendation, and personalized wellness coaching. The social media platform optimized for engagement, but Vitas will optimize for awareness. Our mission is not to change what people believe, but to help them understand how their information diet shapes those beliefs. So you can try your on site. We will be like very happy to see if you try from your side like set up the extension first, then you can run conscious quality audit on that website you have to visit. Then you can visit our dashboard. You can update the dashboard and you can see the info quality diversity index, and you can also try our AI wellness coach equilibrium explorer and my dual audit. It is the main yes main feature of our dashboard, my dual audit, because it contains all your information, not your password, not your critical information, but all you have, how my time it is so safe or not, it is secure, it is store all information. So thank you, we will be happy to answer your any question. Yes, this is all our project Vitas.